Good afternoon. Good
Good
afternoon, Neha.
afternoon, Parth. Good afternoon.
Great to have you here, guys. I'm Parth Shah. I'm on the regional training team, and I'm a 5-year-old member with BNI Anthropos. We have with us Neha Modi, architect Neha Modi. She's from Studio Design Atelier. She's one of the renowned architects of Ahmedabad and is a 5-year plus member with BNI Maximus. She's also associated with a lot of in universities in a teaching role. So let's get started, Neha. This is going to be an interesting
Yes.
session.
Yes.
Uh, First things first, how's the pandemic been? How has BNI community helped you survive this entire situation?
Pandemic was very hectic part because we were working from home.
Hmm.
So all the time work was on, and so 9 to 6 proper office hours, plus you don't have house and at home.
True.
So that also was a toll on it, added cherry on the cake, you can say.
Yeah.
So it
Interesting.
was really a very hectic period, and
Super.
thanks to the work front that we had a lot of work to finish in advance in pandemic. So
True.
the time flew by. Meetings were interesting because we started with online. So initially, like, there was a little struggle of bonding. How would we do networking and all? But then later on, the Zoom one-to-one, and we started enjoying it. And so BNI community was always there. And
Super.
when the little down moment came, we came up with this beautiful 1 degree convention.
Oh, that was the awesome
So that was
experience.
amazing event, and that helped us to bounce back to BNI system, because in that
Awesome.
event I met a lot of people across country, and then the one-to-one started with their chapters, and so again back to track. So that is how probably BNI played a
So we are
major
getting
role
used
in
to the
this
new
country.
normal now.
Yeah, trying to get used to
Yeah,
new
yeah.
normal now. Yeah,
Interesting.
but still we miss that offline meeting and those pre-networking breakfast sessions. So
Obviously, that warmth of meeting the members one on one.
member is missing, but BNI is a community that whether online or offline, we all are there for each other always. So
100%. 100%.
this pandemic went by very hectic way.
Yeah. Neha, we have some story behind you joining BNI. Would you like to share that with us?
Yeah, actually, I there was a member called Mrs. Janki Vasant in our chapter,
Mm-hmm.
and Yasha's mom. So I know her through some common friends, and we were friends. And before joining BNI, I didn't know anything about BNI. So one
Back in those
Friday,
days.
yeah, those days, and I didn't know about anything about BNI. So Friday, I think Maximus meets on Tuesday, and in one of the event we were together, me and Janki Ben, and she asked me that, "Have you heard of BNI?" So I said, "No, what is it?" And she was shocked, like, "Oh, you don't know BNI? You must come and meet all of us on Tuesday morning."
Yeah.
Every Tuesday morning. She said, "Yeah, yeah," and all the entrepreneurs meet, and so I got curious. So Sunday I text her that, okay, I would like to know that what it is, and she was very happy to invite me.
Awesome.
And so Tuesday I got that invitation and I went, and I went, and there was so much of warmth in Maximus. I still get goosebumps when I remember my
Wow.
first day. I didn't feel like
The
an
first
outsider.
memory of visiting a chapter.
Yes, it was. And believe me, first 30 minutes of meeting, and the decision was there that, oh, boss, I want to
And
be
you were
here.
spellbound.
Yeah, I was spellbound. I just wanted to be there in Maximus forever. So evening, I had sent my check,
Wow.
and then I researched at what is BNI.
After having committed to join.
Yes,
But
committed
that's
to
the
join.
attraction you have once you have that
Yeah,
experience
but
of
because it was, I think,
experiencing a
that
meeting.
amount of members of Maximus, the way they were doing things, the way they greeted, the way
Hmm.
they made me feel
True.
comfortable and welcome was an amazing thing. So,
And
yeah,
that's
that's
what
how.
BNI community is all about. What I have also
Yeah,
personally
so
experienced.
probably I was the only member who just came into BNI without knowing what is BNI.
Yeah, yeah. But I think it's worked out well for both of us. 5-year plus members, both of us,
Yeah,
and
5 years plus.
many
Five
more to
years
come.
plus members, and it is an amazing journey, amazing journey.
True.
You
What
don't
was your
because
expectation while joining BNI? A lot of people join it for business. People join for personal growth, to make friends, for example. What was your one thing that brought you to BNI?
see, Path. In fact, when I joined BNI, I had good enough amount of business which I could
True.
not handle. Certain projects I was denying, that because of lack of time, and so business was never the thing. For more was the environment, and this is the first place I found where earning and learning goes hand in hand.
Wow, that's I will use that sometime in the future at one of my trainings,
That
earning
was
and learning.
something which amazed me, that if you have to learn as a business entrepreneur, you just have to spare some time. That's what even I do today, like take a part-time course or take a break and join some university.
True.
But BNI is a platform where earning and learning goes hand in hand.
And it's a
So
continuous
that
process.
attracted me so much that probably in the world there's no place where you have both the things together, and you
100% true.
earn, you sharpen your professional skill as well as you sharpen your personal skills also.
True.
Like for a very small example, our 30 minutes presentation, right? So before BNI, whenever I had to go for a meeting, one day before I used to sit and
Prepare
prepare
for
my
your
speech, that
true.
oh, I'm going to talk to my client like this because I'm meeting him for the first time. And then after joining BNI, it became, the communication skills improved so much.
It comes so
becomes
naturally to you.
spontaneous. So
True.
those 8-minute presentations and a lot of things. So personally also I grew so much, as well as professional skill set also
Amazing.
developed. So
I have
I'm-
changed a lot. I have lost all the hair on my head since I joined BNI.
we have a referral for you then.
Thank you so much. Coming to the next point, I feel you've been a recipient of a lot of awards. I can see it on the shelf behind you.
Yeah.
What makes you give back to the community of BNI, or what's the driving purpose for giving out so much of business and growing with the members?
See, first of all, architecture is a profession where, say, even if I start one project, I'll be needing at least 25 vendors,
True.
right? So I guess giving for me was never um, that difficult part,
Yeah.
because
And being in
and
BNI, again, it adds to your
yeah,
nature of
again it adds
giving.
to and fortunately at Maximus I had very good mentors. You always get professionally, I mean officially one mentor,
Mm-hmm.
but Maximus everybody is a mentor.
Everybody
So
is a
it really
mentor.
helped me, make me
True.
understand the BNI philosophy. And then I realized that okay, if everybody starts giving one referral, then somebody is going to receive it, right?
100%.
So if that was a very simple bottom line I followed, that if I'm sitting here and if I'm committed, if other 30 people or 60 people or 80 people are also giving 90 minutes, then I own 100.
You owe that much back to the community or the chapter. True.
Yes. So they are also giving me. So something needs
What
to
goes around comes around.
comes around. So that is
Awesome.
the philosophy.
Yeah. Over your 5 years of membership, there might have been some points where you felt that I might want to take a break. Renewal is not for me. And there will be this one thing that always comes back and tells you, you have to renew and you got to be a part of BNI. For you, what would that be?
Yeah, every time, as I said, I'm really hungry of learning new things. So every time this moment comes, something of the or the other spurs up in the region. Like as I said that during pandemic, I was thinking, yaar, bahut ho gaya, online mein nahi maza aa raha, and suddenly you have this one degree convention.
Awesome.
So then I always, something or the other comes up, or I meet an interesting person, and then I feel, oh boss, I still have to learn so much.
So many new people to
so
meet.
many things. I go and attend a training. I usually try and attend one training a month.
That's how we met, right?
Yeah, that's how we also met. Exactly.
True.
So, and we started working together.
Awesome.
So then I feel, oh, I didn't know that this also is possible in BNI. Or this also can you adapt in your business, So that brings me back to BNI.
Brings you back to the system.
So I can't leave because I still have so much to learn. Business has always been good from BNI, and I keep getting referrals, so there's no doubt about it. But yeah, that is a byproduct. But learning always keeps me there.
Is
That's
the first
something I need either an
at the top of your priorities while in BNI. Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. I would like to ask you a few questions on your palms. I have some interesting figures with me. I'm sure you keep giving, so you wouldn't have kept track of it. What is put a number to the amount of business you've given in BNI through your 5 years?
I don't know. I don't know. I really have never
It's an
opened
astounding
it.
amount. It's 11 crores plus. So I think
Oh,
that's something that you should be proud of,
I'm-
and everyone else is too.
thanks for letting me know that. So I will take what I've got back.
Now is the time to reap the rewards. Awesome. What's your aha moment? One reference that you got, or one reference you gave to somebody, and it was just life changing, or something that you always
Uh,
cherish?
that happened with me only. It was not a big time business thing, but I joined almost in June end, and along with me, a CA was inducted in the chapter. Both of us were inducted on the same day. And second or third week, in fact, second week I had an absent, and third week again when I went back, I was told that okay, you have to say some specific ask, that is our stimulant.
Okay.
So I said, fine. I mean, whom I want to meet. That's what my mentor told me. So
Easiest way
my
to put it.
day was hospitals. So I just stood up and said that I want to meet decision makers at HCG hospital. And at the end of the meeting, in breakfast session, the CA joined me and says, what is the purpose? So I explained him that these are the hospitals I'm doing. I want to showcase my work to him. 4 o'clock, I get a call that, okay, CEO of HCG, Dr. Bharat Gadvi is waiting for you.
Wow.
Please reach there by 5. I rushed. We had a fantastic meeting. And fourth week, I got the contract of worth 80 lakh rupees from HCG.
Amazing.
Ahmedabad.
Amazing. That's a
So
success story
that's
which should be
something I
shared
can
across the
never
region.
forget. Both of us knew. Both of us didn't know each other.
Wow.
Both of us were trying to learn BNI.
And that's the beauty of having a stimulant and having a specific ask at your
a
30
specific
seconds.
ask. So that was really my aha
Awesome.
moment.
Awesome.
You know, that,
How has BNI changed you? Would you like to share? Maybe you've been a part of, I'm sure you've been a part of the LT, and maybe that might have helped you become more organized, become a better leader, be a better public speaker. How has it helped you?
First, as I said, my communication skills, my confidence level has gone very high. And usually architects think that they are not entrepreneurs.
True.
That's the tagline that architects
They box themselves into a particular range.
You also must be working with a lot of them because of your profession. So we are, I think, the most unorganized community. So working at odd hours, not doing things. So that after joining BNI, I realized that we can really reduce our load by following certain systems, certain things, and so it has helped me become more organized, more confident, and more communicative. Open, honest communication BNI has taught me, which was missing previously.
Or maybe you can sharpen those skills. Nothing is missing, but at least you can improve on that.
I would be honest.
That's so humble of you. One last thing I'd like to discuss with you or talk with you about your family. How are they receptive about your BNI membership, your participation? I'm sure you are a very active member, and you would be devoting a lot of time.
Yeah. So one change that has come is that on Tuesday morning, my family has gone into auto mode. They know that 7 o'clock I have to do. So nobody disturbs. So
you need to reach a particular place at a particular time. So
for a woman, it's a very aha moment, you know, that
true.
morning,
I agree.
No one is screaming for you. So
or the LVH and the VHT are screaming for you. Be on time and be there.
Be on time, and your entire house is in auto mode. Everybody is taking care of themselves, and
that's when you feel that BNI meeting should happen every day morning.
Every day morning, exactly. So, and especially that they feel very proud when I get this awards at symposium. You know,
and the feeling when you see your family being there in the audience when you receive that on stage, it is just next level.
So that is the change. So they keep cooperating me. So like my husband still doesn't know what is BNI after 5 years.
You should bring him in on a spouse day or as a visitor or maybe just as your.
He travels a lot because we work pan-India.
Okay.
This is one more positive thing that has happened to us because of BNI. If time permits, I would really love to share. See, we work pan-India. So before joining BNI, it was always like when we used to have meeting in other cities, the clients were always skeptical that whether we would be able to provide them proper vendors, agencies or not.
True.
And we were also skeptical that what would happen, but because we don't know people in other cities, what kind of vendors would they be?
Correct.
And the vendors would also not trust us, that architect coming from Indore.
Correct.
But after joining BNI, it has become so easy.
Wow, you just go on connect and find for some.
We just go on connect, or we just get connected to the regional team of that particular city. We just send them a message that okay, we have a project in the city, and
these are the vendors you are looking for.
Yes. So the time and energy is saved so much that I'm just it is
in a much better place in terms of execution rather than looking for the right supply.
And the trust that client,
and it's a mutual thing. They also get certain degree of confidence.
So this has really reduced down our stress.
True.
That in fact there's one more aha moment. I was doing a project in Indore, and that time there was no BNI in Indore, and we were doing the sourcing from Ahmedabad. So every time I used to introduce one member from our region to this guy in Indore. He got so impressed that the day BNI was launched in Indore, I got the first call from him. BNI is now coming up in Indore. I'm also joining. Help me.
Wow, amazing. So the ED in Indore must be happy that you've been marketing BNI so aggressively and so well.
No, not marketing, but he was so happy to see that. He just tells me once that I need this, and the 5 vendors are there to call him in half an hour.
Lined up and all of top-notch quality.
And the whole thing is that quotes, everything is very professionally provided to him services. So he joined BNI.
Amazing. I think that's another success story across regions.
Yeah. So that was really aha moment. We were shocked. He just called me up at 7 in the morning telling me, I heard this news, BNI is being launched in Indore. I want to join it. Tell me how do I do it?
And he can be a flag bearer in Indore saying that it's a very amazing organization. You should join that.
Yeah. He is performing well in Indore.
Amazing. Neha, great talking to you. It's been a pleasure. Thanks for your time. And we look forward to connecting once again.
Sure.
Thank you so much.